Yes. Ay, mga natutunan.
After now, from Jessie Marie Anthony, Shaggy became talaga favorite, of course, during Saturnino. What is the inspiration na gawin itong Playful Vibe and how the international audiences react to it?
Thank you so much, Marie, for that wonderful question. Of course, we're very honored and grateful to be able to represent